Hey everybody, it's Mark. Today we're going to be looking at 5 licks that everyone should know. And they're all going to be in A minor, so they'll work great. Anyhow, the first lick is the lick I like to call the Chuck Berry lick. Everyone's used it from Chuck Berry, Eddie Van Halen, pretty much everybody. You can use that lick and go right from the 50s straight up to today. Anyway, check it out. Here it is slow. Alright, the number 2 lick is a variation of that. It's actually you're still doing the bend thing, but you're adding another note to it. So, again, used by everybody. It's actually, these first 2 licks are actually in the Panama solid, just over B instead of an A minor. Anyway, check it out. Here it is slow. The third lick is kind of a cool pull-off thing that, you'll see it everywhere. Kirk Hammett, Zach Wild, all kinds of guys like that do it. Anyway, here you go. So slowly that is. The fourth lick is something I like to do all the time, actually. You bend your G note on the B string up to the A, and grab the A. So it's like. And the last lick's kind of just tying them all together. Here it is. So you're going to bend up your C note to D, pull off to A, just like that. And all these work again over A. Here it is all together. If you like this and you want to see more content like this is the first one I've actually done like this. So if you want to see more stuff like this, please subscribe and like for future content. Anyway, thanks for checking out the video. Have a great day. Bye.